Hi, today I'm outside Nightingale Avenue. It's a 3 double bedroom detached property situated in the new area of Warwick Gates. It's coming to the market for £3,699.50, so follow me inside for more of a look round. There's a very cosy and well-sized living room to the front of the property, and on the back is a lovely kitchen, very open plan kitchen, diner, snug area, and off that there's a separate utility room with downstairs WC. Moving upstairs, there's a very nice master bedroom suite with a separate dressing room and ensuite shower room. The second bedroom is a great size double, bright and airy. The third bed, although a nursery, again is a double, and you also have your standard modern family bathroom suite. Outside there's a nice patio area straight from the kitchen diner, good sized lawn area, so fantastic for a barbecue or something like that. If you like what you've seen today and wanted to book a viewing or wanted any further information, then please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for listening.